Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Paddy. Paddy is a type of crop that gives us rice. It grows in fields with lots of water. Farmers plant paddy in the rainy season. It needs muddy soil to grow well. Paddy plants have long, thin leaves. After harvesting, paddy is dried and processed to get rice. Rice is a staple food for many people around the world. There are different types of rice like brown rice and white rice. Farmers work very hard to grow paddy. We should not waste rice because it is an important food. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.